The Caromix Folding Exercise Bike offers a versatile workout experience with its ability to switch between upright and semi-reclining positions, catering to both intense and relaxed exercise sessions. Equipped with a comprehensive LCD monitor, this bike allows users to track key fitness metrics such as time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, enhancing the workout experience. The bike operates quietly due to its magnetic resistance system and offers 16 levels of gear adjustment, providing a smooth and personalized ride. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and X-shaped structure, the bike ensures stability during workouts while supporting a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Designed for convenience, the bike can be easily folded and stored, making it ideal for small spaces, and it includes transport wheels for effortless relocation. With most of the assembly pre-installed, setting up the bike is quick and straightforward, allowing users to start their fitness journey with minimal hassle.